Now we are talking about how you open your terminal. So if you're on Mac, you basically do command space to open Spotlight and write terminal. Basically, I'm guessing everyone knows how to open terminal, so I don't stop on that. If you have Linux or another system, you would know how to open your terminal. The most important command that I've used it a lot is, well, say you write a lot of things, but how to clear up your terminal? Well, with command called clear. So with clear, you clear up your terminal, and that's the first. Another thing that sometimes you might need it is to make directory. Before talking about that, let me show you something. If you type ls, I'm guessing it is for list, it shows you many things. So let's create a directory which is mkdir or mkdir and call test. Now if we do ls list, we see test somewhere. Yes, here. So with cd change directory to test, we can get into test. Now if we clear and do pwd, path with that directory, I'm guessing, we see now we are in users, user test. These are very important commands. Clear, ls, cd, sometimes mkdir. Let's do touch app.js. Now if we do ls, we see we have a file called app.js. But how do we remove it? Well, with rm app.js. Now we don't have app.js. So mkdir to create folder, touch to create file on Mac. Let's create some folder we call test2. Now if we do ls, we have test2. rm test2 is a directory, so rm is not for directory. To remove directory, we do rmdir test2. So remove dir directory test2. Now we don't have test2. It's clear. Now if you want to know more about any command, write man and the command name, for example rm. Now you see all this information, rm and link, remove directory, entries, synopsis, rmf, things like that, and link. And you see a description. The rm utility attempts to remove the non-directory type file specified. When you want to get out of this, you just do q and it will get out of it. Clear rm mkdir rmdir touch cd pwd, and that's it. These clear rm mkdir rmdir touch cd pwd are very important for any developer to know generally.